Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on CARTESI. So welcome back everybody that followed me for my CARTESI content. Did quite a lot of analysis on that for the last, I think almost 2 years now. But yeah, we're back again right now because we actually got quite some nice bullish momentum. So we'll talk about that, we'll talk about what's going on, why is it bullish like this, and what can we expect from here. All of that, basically everything you need to know, at least of what I know so far, right? Because we are probably going to get some news very soon as well, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so that's what we'll do in this video. Before we dive into that, if you are interested in becoming a better and more profitable trader, but apart from that, also receiving profitable trading signals, check out the links, as you can see, at the top in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find out how to join my trading signal group. But now onto CARTESI. So overall, what you can see right now is that the volume absolutely skyrocketed up to $72 million. And the price, I mean, it's up 20% right now, but at the very top, I think we were up like 30, maybe 35 here. Yeah, 33 cents here at this resistance at 19 cents. I was looking at this yesterday, like we got that initial push around 5 o'clock. And then we got a major bullish breakout when we broke above 16.5 cents. Personally, I mean, we talked about it in the signal chat room, like when the price was down here, whether we should maybe go long. I was thinking about going long if we closed right here and then take a bullish break retest off of 16.5 cents. But we never closed there. We closed all the way up here and then started dropping down. So it's unfortunate, but that's the market. There are countless opportunities still out there. But the big reason for this move, I think it's two things. First of all, CARTESI has had a history of being manipulated, right? We always had these rallies in the past. So what that creates is that a lot of people look at CARTESI, and then when they see it rallying again, they think, hey, we're going to get a huge rally like this again, I'm buying in. So you get quite a lot of FOMO, or at least it's very sensitive to FOMO. But apart from that, they also tweeted something yesterday, which was this. Around 5 o'clock, so that matches very well with the time when this rally started. They said that they have something exciting to share. So that always creates hype. Now, right now, you would better hope that it's that CARTESI was actually manipulated. Because usually what happens with news like this is that the news has to be very, very, very good if we want to retain these levels. Usually you get excitement before the news, and then the news is dropped and you fall. That's usually what happens. So unless this is, I don't know, a huge news, unless that is the case, it's actually going to drop, right? So right now what will happen, and we also already got some sort of bearish confirmation by dropping down below 18 cents. But right now, if the news is actually great, what will happen is we'll break above 19 cents, we'll find some resistance at 20, we'll take that bullish break retest, and we'll move all the way up to 22.5 cents. And you will have to be the judge of that, or you can just look at the price, and if we break above 19 cents, then the news was good enough. But if you see the news and you think, well, this was it, then we're probably going to break down below 16.5 cents, take that bearish break retest, and drop back down to 15 cents. And we did have something bullish going here, so I'm not saying that that's not necessarily the worst. And we might, from here, we might actually be able to easily continue some sort of an uptrend. It's a possibility. But it's not the ideal scenario, right? So that's kind of what we're waiting for right now. I would say a fall is more likely at this point of time, but I'm definitely not shorting, and I'm definitely not counting something like this out. So that's my take on CARTESI for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.